Welcome to part 3 in a 3-part series on how to use Tranchess. Today, I'm going to be talking about Tranchess's BNB Fund. So, the BNB Fund enables users to earn BSC BNB delegation rewards in addition to chess rewards. So, the delegator's reward is distributed to BNB's queen and chess holders. This is a great value for both BNB and chess holders. So we can look at the BNB Fund info here on the BNB section for each of these tokens. So here we can look at the APY on this alpha section. So the homepage includes both the chess reward and the alpha under the total APY. So we can see how much of the APY is going towards chess, is coming from chess, and how much is coming from the BNB delegation alpha reward. In the name, N Queen, the N means that this is a BNB asset, and the plus refers to the alpha. So on this alpha section, if you click the learn more here, we can see a little bit more about how the BNB fund is operated. So first off, we see that the total fund size is capped at 800,000 BNB. This is the amount to obtain optimal yield as a validator. And we can imagine if the demand is high, that Tranchess could probably operate multiple validator nodes and take on a larger BNB deposit amount. So currently we have using about a quarter of that capacity. I can also see here that 80% of validated rewards are given back to the BNB fund, while 20% of the validator reward is kept as protocol income. As usual, 50% of the protocol income is given back to people who lock chess. Those are the VChess holders. And we can check the validator staking performance from the staking APR section. So it's 9.19% right now. And if you want to see a little more info on that, you can go to this link here, Binance chain there on staking. So see there's that 9.19% APR again. So now let's go back to the main Tranchess website. So I'm on the front page. So now let's take a look at Rook, specifically NRook Plus. All the alpha earned by the main fund is distributed to the Rook tranche. That means not only does NRook Plus have leverage exposure to BNB, it also receives leveraged alpha, which makes NRook Plus a very attractive tranche to risk-seeking investors. And we can see the current level of leverage for Rook holders. Now, taking a look at N Queen Plus again, you can go into Create N Queen. And so the creation process for N Queen Plus is the same as other funds with the same claiming time. See if I switch between the different types of queen, the claiming time is going to be the same through all of them. But an important note is that redemption is different for N Queen Plus versus the other queen tokens. Redemption period of N Queen Plus may vary because unstaking BNB from the validator node takes much longer time than usual settlement. So the maximum waiting time is 14 days. But it's usually much shorter than that because as long as there's someone who creates enough N Queen Plus, you can claim back your BNB immediately. So currently the average redemption time is 1 day. If you want to know how to create N Queen Plus, you can check out our first video in the series that covered the primary market and swap function. Now to look at how to get NRook Plus, you have few options for that. So the first one is if we go to swap, or to show you from the front page, you can go from here and click trade. That takes us to the swap page. If someone is bullish on BNB and eyeing the additional 10% plus alpha from delegation rewards, this is definitely a good price to pay. There's not even any premium on this NRook Plus at the moment. Or even though this is a somewhat small amount, even at 1.25%, this is a very reasonable premium for purchasing NRook Plus. And don't forget that all Rooks are leveraged products in Tranchess and have no forced liquidation. Again, if you want to see the method for creating NRook Plus, going through this trading process, check out our swap and primary market video. The other option for getting nRook Plus is to go to the primary market, split and merge, and you can, since nBishop Plus is currently traded at a pretty high premium, just go back to that for a moment. So nBishop Plus, it's got a 4% premium right now. Someone who wants to obtain nRook Plus can conveniently convert BNB to nQueen Plus, sell their nBishop Plus at a big premium, and keep their nRook. So they would go to primary market. If you want to see how to split nQueen, covered this in the previous video on swap and primary market. But general idea of it, you take your nQueen Plus, split that into nRook and nBishop. You can then sell that nBishop Plus that is currently trading at a high premium, and then now you have your nRook Plus. So this adds a lot of value for the Chess token holders. So you have more overall protocol income, higher weekly rebate for VChess holders. Like I mentioned just now, the new BNB Fund charges a 2% annual fee and a 20% performance fee from the validator stake in return. So that's effectively 2% plus 10% times 20%, so 4%. And this is significantly higher than the 1% all-in management fee collected from BTC or the ETH fund. And the protocol income has tremendous potential to grow, leading to a higher weekly rebate for VChess holders. The value in nRook Plus may lead to more activities in the secondary market as well, because nRook Plus now has both leverage exposure to BNB price and added alpha. Value in nRook Plus just increased significantly. So more people may demand nRook Plus. As a result, more market makers will split their nQueen Plus to post orders of nRook Plus. That increased split and merge activity means that Tranchess will charge more transaction fees, half of which go to the chess holders' rebate. And taking a look at governance, Tranchess started to build their DAO to allow chess holders to voice their opinions in their forum and raise proposals. So 3 proposals have been passed so far and are being implemented. You can see those proposals here, and you can select view details to get more information about any of these. So this is on Snapshot, and you can see the results and votes, information and votes for each of these. So yes, those are for the 3 proposals that have been passed so far. And we can expect Tranchess to start building more governance use cases for chess holders soon. All right, that's it for this video, and that wraps up our 3-part series on how to use Tranchess.